Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Smells Like. I'm Josh. So good to see you. And I just got something in the mail. Thought I'd do a quick unboxing and first impressions of. This one is from the house of Guerlain. This is L'Instant de Guerlain pour Homme, the Eau de Toilette. This is the new, I guess, version of it. New style of bottle that Guerlain is doing for all of their, I guess, like signature line, designer line. It says, L'Instant de Guerlain pour Homme highlights a unique moment, the one in which a man takes the initiative and after which everything will be different. Well, hey, I guess my life's changing from here on out. Taking the initiative, but thought I'd unbox this one. I'd been willing to try these newer versions. In the past, this has been known as Lidge, L'Instant de Guerlain Extreme, L'Instant de Guerlain, the Eau de Toilette. There was an Eau de Toilette version. Lidge is probably the most popular, the most talked about. Nowadays, it's L'Instant de Guerlain, Eau de Parfum, and Eau de Toilette. There's no Extreme or anything like that. I wanted a bottle of the new EDP, but I couldn't find a good price on it in the 100 ml size, and I want to get the 100 ml. I found the 50 ml size of the EDP for a good price, and I might end up getting that if I can't find 100 ml, but they had the 100 ml of the EDT here for a really great price on fragrancenet.com. Little cellophane. I love that sound. And pretty cool box. It's got like this band around it. You're always gonna get quality stuff from Guerlain. I really, over the last year, really have just become more and more obsessed with Guerlain as a house. Just kind of getting more into their fragrances. So like I said, this is the new design that a lot of the sort of designer line fragrances from Guerlain are coming in. But I know just a lot of kind of the signature fragrances, Guerlain pour Homme, or just, I think it's just Guerlain Homme, L'Eau Boisée, fragrances like that. Of course, L'Instant de Guerlain. Are coming in these similar bottles, just with a different maybe colored cap and label. I really like it. I like the new design. I think it's kind of cool having, you know, sort of a signature line that are in similar bottles. So I am slowly going to collect these from all the different ones from Guerlain, and these can be found on online discounters for really affordable prices, so kind of fun to check these out. So like I said, this is the EDT. This one is a little bit lighter than the EDP, which makes sense. This one has a bit more citrus in it, I believe, like lemons. It still has that cacao note, that patchouli. Really, the cacao and patchouli are the main aspects of this perfume. This also has sandalwood. This has like a tea note, like a smoky tea. So we'll see if this has kind of a smoky nature or if it's really just the same thing. Yeah, so to me, right off the bat, it smells the same as the L'Instant de Guerlain Eau de Toilette that I've smelled in the past, the different shaped bottle. Yeah, I mean, it really smells exactly like it to my nose. I would have to put them side by side to see if there's much difference. But compared to like Lidge, the Extreme, or the Eau de Parfum, this one is lighter. It's got more of an emphasis on the citrus. But it still has that same DNA, the same chocolatey cacao, it's like a slightly bitter chocolate kind of note, with a really rich patchouli. Again, some sandalwood. There's some florals like jasmine in this. I think there might be like star anise in this, like kind of a slight licorice vibe. Although I hate black licorice, but whatever is in this I really like. It just gives it just a slight, it doesn't smell like licorice, it just has like a slight sharpness that anise can add sometimes that I like. It just smells really classy, slightly masculine, but not overly masculine or anything. I just love this one. This DNA, to me, is all about fall. My first time that I smelled this fragrance was on my birthday. My birthday's in October, and I got some of this for my birthday a couple years ago. And ever since then, every time I smell this, it just makes me think of fall. So I really wanted to get kind of the new version or just the new bottle. And I think that this version is probably going to be great for the early fall before it gets too cold. I think that the eau de parfum would be better for like late fall and winter. So I'm going to wear this one for, you know, early to mid fall. You know, you don't want something that's too heavy, but this one does have an earthiness. It has a little bit of a darkness in it, but there's a lot of light in this one from all the citrus. There's a great lemon in this. And I never, you know, would have thought lemon and chocolate and lemon and patchouli doesn't sound like it would go, but it really just goes well. In a slight way, it kind of reminds me of those chocolate oranges that you get around Christmas time. I don't know, we have them in the States. It's like shaped like an orange, and you literally like pound it, and it comes out in like orange slices, and it's just chocolate, orange flavored chocolate. This kind of reminds me of that, only with if it had lemon instead of the orange. Just like a citrus and chocolate. With the patchouli. This one is just a great one. So maybe I'll do a full review on this in the future, but I thought it'd be cool just do a quick open it up on camera and do the first impressions. So thanks for watching. That's it for now.